Hi guys, this is Nick from DBmxBoyZ, and I'm here to review my Kink 2012. This is my bike, of course, that we're going to be doing videos with. And to start off, I'm going to start from the grips down to the back tire. These are Mission Helix grips, Mission bar ends, Mission brake lever and brake cable, Kink Midtown bars, Mission junction stem, Mission headset, Kink Volte forks, stock Kenda contact front tire, and stock Mission hub and rim and all that. Kink Curb 2012 frame, stock aluminum pedals, they blow. I'm gonna get new ones. Mission Transit cranks, pretty solid 3-piece cranks. Kink decimal sprocket, 25 tooth, KMC chain, 990 U-brake, aluminum, stock Kenda tire, and stock Mission back wheel. All together, this is a pretty nice bike. Oh, and I forgot, Mission one-piece seat. Altogether, this is a really nice bike. I recommend it, and rate, comment, subscribe, and check in later for more videos on this channel. So, have a nice day.